Ascent equipment provides fiber cleaning. Your existing Ascent Fiber Laser welder can be converted into a cleaning machine. Alternatively, you can purchase a dedicated Ascent Fiber Laser cleaning machine for continuous, large-area cleaning. How fiber laser cleaning works. Fiber laser cleaning is a highly efficient, eco-friendly surface preparation method that uses amplified light to remove rust, paint, oxides, oil, and other contaminants from materials, primarily metals. Unlike traditional methods that rely on chemicals or abrasive blasting, laser cleaning is non-contact and non-abrasive. Here is the science behind it. 1. Laser generation. A fiber laser source generates a high-intensity, concentrated beam of light. 2. Pulsed energy. The laser delivers short, rapid pulses of energy to the surface. 3. Selective absorption. The contaminant layer, rust, paint, oil, quickly absorbs the laser energy, while the underlying substrate, like steel or aluminum, reflects it without absorbing damage. 4. Ablation. The absorbed energy rapidly heats the contaminant, causing it to vaporize, sublimate, or plasma expand, literally detaching it from the surface. Key benefits of fiber laser cleaning. Eco-friendly, no chemicals, solvents, or hazardous waste products are created. The only byproduct is a small amount of dust, which is easily captured by a vacuum fume extractor. No damage to substrates. Because metals are highly reflective at specific laser wavelengths, the laser cleaning process stops automatically at the base metal, leaving the underlying material completely intact. Low operating costs. No consumables, such as sand, grit, or chemicals, are required. It requires only electricity and minimal maintenance, resulting in an incredibly low cost per hour. Precision. Operators can dial in exact settings to clean highly intricate geometries, select specific spot sizes, or clean only a highly targeted zone without taping off surrounding areas. Continuous wave, CW, laser cleaning. How it works: emits an uninterrupted, continuous beam of high-power energy. Best for heavy-duty rust removal, thick paint stripping, and large surface areas. Advantage: extremely fast and significantly cheaper per watt, though it generates more heat and requires careful handling to avoid warping thin metals. For more information, email dov@ascentg.com or ascentequipment.com.